welcome to this session. Today I want to introduce you to new tool in this course, malware analysis. So this is going to be a lab session. We are going to use a tool that is called UPX tool. UPX tool is used for unpacking packed files or DLL files or exe files, generally packed files that are containing malwares basically. So to unpack it or to unpack the files, this is when you need UPX tools. So basically to check for files that are being packed by malwares, you can use different tools. For example, you can use PEID. Sorry, yeah. You can use PEID. You can use also PE, another tool that is called PEView. PEID or PEView. Okay, so PEID is the first one, or you can use PEView. This can help to show indication of compromise if a file has been compromised or it has been packed, basically. And the next step is you have to unpack the file, basically. So to unpack the file, that's when you need this tool called UPX tool. Okay, so basically UPX tool is used for unpacking packed files. So I want to quickly go to the lab manual. So in this lab manual, we have the lab objectives. First, to understand the purpose of UPX and its impact on executable files, and then we're gonna identify UPX-packed files and verify their compression status, and then we're gonna use UPX commands basically to packed executables basically, and also compare the properties before and after unpacking happens. Basically, after and before and after, the sizes of the unpacked files is gonna be changed basically. So the first thing we need to do is we need to download the UPX tool from the official website. So this is the official website. We can go there. Basically, you click on it. Yeah, it takes you to the official website. You will see download the latest version, and then you look for the Windows version. This is the Windows version. Okay, so I'm gonna download the Windows version. This is it. Okay, after downloading this, of course, I need to unzip it. It's actually compressed, so I have to extract the file. Okay, yeah, so this is the UPX file. I need to copy it. Okay, after I copy it, so I go to my C drive actually to show you how to. So if you check on C drive, you're gonna go to Windows section. After Windows section, then you look for System32. System32. Yeah, so after you System32, you simply paste it here. Okay, it will ask you, okay, so I have a copy already there. Okay, so it will ask you this to give permission as admin. Yes, so you have to copy it as and simply keep it there as an admin. Okay, so also after you've done this, then you go to the command section. Okay, so I have the command prompt. Kindly click on it and then run it as administrator. Very important. If you just open the command prompt and start writing commands, maybe it may not work. However, if you actually run it as administrator, that's when you can actually install the UPX. Okay, so now this is it. Okay, it's already in the directory. That's Windows System32. That's where we put it. So you simply say UPX. Okay, yeah, so you can see after we run the UPX command, you will see that yeah, the UPX tool has been installed already. Okay, it has been installed. Basically, this is the authors. Okay, and the latest version used now is January 7th, 2026. Yep, so this is it. So the next thing is we need to use uh, a, a packed file, okay, basically to try it. So to do this, I have some packed files. Permit me to look for some packed files quickly. Okay, so I need to check some packed files. Okay, so let me quickly check here. In the download, I think I have some packed files. Okay, so packed files. Yeah, so these are my samples. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one. Okay, let me use number 2. I used number 1 previously, so I'm gonna use number 2. So I simply copy it and take it to this section. Okay. Yeah, so you have to copy it here. So it's here. This is the name lab 7.2. So I can check parking on this. I can try PID or PE view to check parking. Okay, so basically I can quickly check with this, with any of these tools. Okay, so I'm gonna use PID. Just a minute, I'll find it now. Yes. Okay. PID. Yes, so I have it now. PID. Okay, so this is the PID, so I have to import it. Okay, so this is the file I want to check. I want to check it for compromise. Okay, so this did not show any parking, so I think I need to change it. So I need to change to this third one. Okay, so I'm going to change it to the third one. Yeah, so for this, it shows parking. Okay, UPX is parked in it. Okay, and I can see that also UPX at the entry point. So I'm going to use the third one instead of the second one. Okay, thank goodness I check it before I start anyway. So I have to go back, check my samples. Okay, I'm going to use number 3 now. Okay, number 3. And then I simply use this, that's 7.3. I have to cancel this. Okay, so I've canceled this. Okay, 7.3 is it? Okay, that's good. Yeah, so now I go back to um, this. Okay, so now I have to run the commands for unpacking. So basically, after you've done this, okay, we have to run the commands for unpacking. Okay, so the commands for unpacking is first we have to move to the C drive because it's not in C drive. Okay, after I move to the C drive, then I start the unpacking process. Okay, so just let me show you the command quickly. So you have to use UPX, okay, -D -O, then the lab, the new name of the file and the old name of the file. So basically, this is how you're gonna run it. Okay, so first of all, I have to go back CC. Okay, I have to go back to C. Okay. Yeah, so now I'm on C, so I have to use UPX. Okay. So I'm gonna use UPX command. Okay. UPX-D or -O. Then I have to use the new name of the file. So I will call the new name of the file lab 7.3 dash unpacked. Okay, so then the extension exe. Okay, then I give a space. Then I have to give the name of the new file, also exe. Okay, so this is it. Now I have to run. Yeah, so thank goodness. So it has been unpacked. You can see one file has been unpacked. So unpacked one file is done. And the size of the file, you can see the size of the file. Okay, the ratio is 26.35%. Okay, the type of the format of the file is a PE file, which is based on Windows 36. Okay, so the new name of the file is this lab 7.3-unpack.exe. So now we have to confirm if it has been unpacked. So now I have to go back to directory, okay, which is C drive, and I'm going to find it there so you can find it. Yeah, so I found it. This is the new file. It's unpacked, and you can see the sizes are different. Before, when it's packed, it's just 625 kb, and now it's just about 2369 kb. That implies that this is the unpacked version, while this is the packed version. Yeah, so I hope you learned a lot about this. You can try more. Okay, you can try more. First, you need to check using PID if it is a packed file. If it's a packed file, then you have to follow the process. Okay, the command that you need to remember is this command. Okay, basically UPX-D-O, then the new name of the file, then you give a space, then the actual name of the file. Okay, don't forget to add the extension .exe. Okay, then you enter, and you're gonna see if it's been packed, it will show you how many files were packed in. Okay, so one file is packed in, and this is the new file and its name. This is the format of the file, Windows 36, and it's a PE file. This is the percentage in the ratio. Okay, this is the size of the file in hexadecimal values. So basically, once you have done this, this is the end of your lab session for this. Okay, so thank you very much for listening.